Hello everyone, I am Dr. Poonam Rudingba, consultant OBS and Gynae at Motherhood Chaitanya Hospital. I will be discussing about the cervical cancer, which is the cancer of the cervix. Cervix is the mouth of the uterus, and the cancer of the cervix is the second most cancer in women in India, the most common being the breast cancer. But cervical cancer is the most common cause of cancer death in females. The risk factors for cervical cancer are early age of marriage, early childbirth, multiple childbirth, and low socioeconomic status. The symptoms of cervical cancers are irregular bleeding, abnormal discharge, postcoital bleeding, postmenopausal bleeding. Now coming to prevention and early detection of the cancers. For prevention, we have the option of taking vaccination, that is the HPV vaccination, which can be started from the age of 10. It is advisable for all teenage girls between the age of 10 to 15 to take the vaccination, that is the HPV vaccination, which commonly comes by the name of Gardasil. Earlier we had Gardasil 4 available, but now we have the Gardasil 9 or the nano vaccine available, which is to be given in this age group, that is 10 to 15 years, at a dose of two doses of vaccine at a gap of 6 to 8 months. After the age of 15 years, 3 doses are given at 0, 2 and 4 months. Coming to screening of the cervical cancer, for screening, WHO recommends to undergo HPV testing every 5 years. And we can also undergo LBC, that is liquid-based cytology, which was earlier called as pap smear, and HPV testing, which is called the co-testing, at a gap of 5 years, till the age of 65 years. This way we can prevent as well as detect the cervical cancer at an earlier stage, where treatment, prognosis and survival will get better. Thank you.